Wonya bi dada.
Hey. Nipa bro.
Aba. Me awe.
Tigo neka. What requires your name is so cloth. Tigo never say.
Oh my word.
I say, what the no sa what na one so the drum you like bingo.
Yeah.
It's him the needful.
Tigo, yes, you know the needful. Yay. Oh, Tigo.
Capito. Guson kakranka.
I said Tigo ogrocho ho.
Yada.
Ana Tigo is small boy home.
Oh. Fan 20 na captain. Can you bebe fee. Boko dear.
Yami Adom.
Yet nyamiase. Yet nyamiase pa. If you say sometimes bibi ma to me cherish life.
Sure.
Bibi to me sina fe one who say say me taking niema for granted.
I didn't see it. Bombing come on no.
Nyame wo ho.
Sister bombing come on.
Capito nyame wo ho.
Sister bombing come on.
Nyame wo ho. Na bi before no mo se den.
So sankra se gusam na mo dey dey me.
Na MP ne say wadi nsentwerefo ho yawo. Na ono o chairman na so MPP. Wo MP.
Oh MP o say asem si ho nsentwerefo.
Because unim asem na ba ye no was say adani mo kofa forms. Chairman say Shasam no baby e free chairman say forms no fa di free Kumasi or deba no esa wo Kumasi ansa na wo duru mampon e wona asam no sha ase agya no sha ase say bubomo ye ne chairman kasa wo ha say ye ne adani mo special AD kasa ye empanimfo a na ebose ye ne wo kasa eturu Ashanti region kwa we went there.
No, but the MPC wo kwa primacy to be na na ye biem na wo musuro
to the Ashanti region cry no captain ye kodu ho no ma ho anu ye bia bae wo MP ne sabre na na ase ye mefro no ye mefro in your capacity as what one hunti na manfo say empanimfo no tie MP na che bi so no he wanted to even talk and now okasa na see say oni chairman e dadem and na chairman say okache ni say and o man time wo so nya chairman enti ni omo ye omo fe na no asem on beka che ye ne say mpanimfo peace council for enkrata na omo say political parties ne nsan sane be ya vigilantism no ye betu ase no NDC for so omo nsan sa wo fe say NDC for san sa mo pese ye nyina ye hu say vigilantism no ma ye ready say mbe ye fiwa it start from your home mu fie ba bi amote no efisa mo de first me e ka tutwa asem a mo kan de mo nsa ko kire NDC so prime minister keka mo be koni o na ade no so guidelines captain when your guidelines to say elections we be awem ya kire say wo constituency na yesi asa ana ebi ni ho a go to region anye ya bra to national ebi aba to national still ya mfi won dia na ekoso ade no jane so a munim say ade we ebeje nsam ne yete woni ye hwe ni aye din afi na chairman gina fidie so say na me onu mom na agu ne ho anim ase ade ne sha ase ya mfre no ya nka nkire no
ya de tete ne say minim say no kra de a na de tete ne say de nam so ade ni mu nkrofo ne kɔ hɔ no ene say omunya ne nte say enra no omo beje MP forms no
omo wia
no
matu office nim no matu kwan
na say omo dwane
ne tie ne why frustrated wona nam ho saa nom say da enya de beti ase MP de ne de kwa yenso de beko
sa ne wadi kan ya che ni ntina o suspect san we ye be na empanimfo na de dade na no kate omo na asa bibia wunim MPs ni bi wonom kra they won that competition ya wo mo suro wo ho ba obi se Dambotwe constituency wo se tie nra asama na omo ka na Dambotwe na waba na ompese obi beba mi wa Dambotwe ni so tene ba bi o won hunti mpanimfo na yayi mu sam ye
okay asam no kwadwo me ba o okay asam ni se fofu aba ne se secretary on potem one say panyin no one na be pre no omo ye hwehwemu no he is not of good standing in the party.
Anti-constitution no wakan, guidelines no wakan. Only any right to say that. Unconverting, unconverting.
Also, Rema, one shot down your was no back.
They are just causing confusion for nothing.
Into omo jaima na say won ko prayer na say nefa baby no o man nimra so
wonim hwe I think say leadership e wo ho say nye omo ina but eye team nti sana meka no omo de media bro
ojidi
I'm telling you
I didn't hear
hwe 2004 sana wo Ghana what is MPP prime say babo
Manti BBC.
Unim what went on? Dan Botre, Lord Comey, Papa Bako, me refinity, we free or your former chairman, Nibi, MPP former chairman, Nibi.
Chairman Seku,
no, your chairman, that time, no, your chairman. You know what they did? Woman who said constituency of I had the yamma, and you can say, we, Papa, we yaman a lot or yama party. No, it is a case of being contesting her. Ebeye mabo beye nsem k enti ye front ye no kasa with them no antiasia okay fine no ma biem and Dan Botre as of that time and when you know if you were minister no Dan Botre as of that time Eba Ashanti region what he did was that he called every sitting MP every sitting MP he met every sitting MP. And he did this 2 months earlier, and so maybe a nomination.
Next, a human or damn.
And he, then echo. What's the problem? Problem maybe why you be to be solving the and say be nomination nana. One kasa we interested so be kubu mana. So we interested so be kubu ma. Then a problem no. Some of the Kumasi Central MPs no problems were solved.
Ewo dem empia bonten
there be
never na say na afedi we
there be ma me nchiro ba bia we free ade na be sha ase kura no ena di kan beto abonten se chama wuntumi se ba bi wo ho no mo a omma obia ne omo stand e no se ne wo kan se omo ya underground work no omo nya hwi o eno no ye hie se wakoka no radio bi so atesem no akoka to no akoka ba bia
akwati se po aya bo no dem
kasa no amamfo buafu
wunyi ni se bia omo bo po no dem se bia enke emfa ne sei ena na no kopae no no kokan ye ne kofa abufu ne ba ya
William said Chairman Sabu to be a contestant da
oh ni pa ne say no nyaye
mekai
contestant da mekai eye KO no be antiase na that time Aliu Mahama say let him contest you. Let him contest you. We know how important you are to the party in parliament. Let him contest you.
Mekai say you know.
Now that's elections no. We said the guru say fig crying. Eba Swami constituency it tells you the party needed or say Chairman.
And no kwa na here ben. Mekai say na mukumase. Na mukumase so MMP. Me te chronom na
me sa protection yem protect we no kora no captain hu hia
bem
say yem protect you obi a ene enka Feliso usu Japan ma breso papa usu ankoma mo abreso Abraham Seidu ma breso
papa ya bodi na yem ya
Abraham Seidu
tema
Abraham Seidu
minister parliamentary
protection
ya palace school too no
ono ne die no obi ade enya ya so ono ne
die na we nipa pa we are down to earth
enya no nipa na dwuma a wo ye wo de o say ne
na boys to feel ne pa o
Dura Plus where Dura Plus goes water flows Agbeva Herbal Center Wayera Safi Societe General Ghana the future is you Lifeline Properties your investment is in safe hands NLA Super 6 is a play is a win Vodafone the future is exciting. Ready? What am I supposed to do? Na poso de bro. Nti so Uncle John Bodu. What is Samia Oku? Market. Chairman Freddie Blay. Anyone wa car mo ka ho no. Yes, sir. We don't want this car you. We've had enough already. This car you will not help. I was very glad said be quiet. Kayo. Finally, you call the man to Accra, you give him the forms.
Yeah.
Emma supporters in Zito Wino Bia Kumatone yem. And cry yatene say constituency office and yatum say say bi no ko medical checkup was South Africa.
Ye yada.
Inti na ahwe ne yemie. Inti as parents now also call then the form kono why stranded. Thanks to God say anji constituency what they call regional ombeje regional njia national na Muhammad man no mo betumi age na mo dia ma vetting committee no.
E ho na mente adenti na monye. Adenti na monye.
Sane na wo ka se obi si obi mfata no.
Ayi okrede yes abrante no won sheda enya yi. Wahu oba MPP mu pa so ka se wo pe wo so no ba hwe na ni ase a utum se we wo so no ba na gina ho no.
Asem na na captain wa kan twa to no se empanimfo no form na nsifo. Wahu it got to a time man. Woni pa krokora wuntumi nye. Wo yes asa wo undermine obi but not.
Me say 2004.
Oh, yeah, then crab about 2004.
You could tell, say, a proper planning. Proper.
Now,
Obi o constituency be ko fa forma. Kwa ko fa wi o ntimi ko file. Obi an kan chance man mfanko. We interview radio so me ana me ready. Nyɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ ready. Peniphobia chenatna dem ya tubu asene na
enye sabre na Sejon na adwene se nkoko tafo
ne sana wakoba akwansa na osan tafo ne honorable akoto very good one say after the election na I'm the last one Sejon wanko otikwam
bia me kan se sabre no so obeko sabre ni se ne wangu na
sabem din
Dede no adoso
na me de misuro ne se hwe we ye ena ba akoma o hwe video yi ne aba ye de bokwa ni trim ye ho no collapse afia batu be ye ni
MP ne se wadi ye ho ye a men kan kire ne se 2020 no ono ne constituency ho ni a ye nsi ho so ya na dwen say wo buru nkontima na awia wa begina radio say na madi mo ho ya na di wa ho ya o ya mfa digane enta
Florida Nkrumah wo labati Kofi Asante wo Insura FM so we show happy birthday Florida Nkrumah afi enko
abushia de digane enta say sha se wo de bon krata na poso mu na nura osoafo a wo hwe wo mayi apomuden nsem so eni mpanimfo aka ya twemo wo mra mahye badwam coronavirus wo machire mu de nhyehyɛ ya aboye no enra foreign affairs minister Mame Shelley Ayokobotwe ekomrahye badwam no se plans de plan bia ni hono mo da kwan mu se Ghana students no wo Wuhan yo omuso omunya ready so omu de ombeba
no say aban ni plan bia so
plan bia plan ni hono bia beka ho o se omu be baabi omu wo no mbe wo hono mo a ne mo a wo sa aban de boa wo hono omu de akwakobo mo nti omu ye ene ye ma otumetum ene man kofa wo ama ne enti ase no o se munye din mo anye din so nam se be predi a ene mo be prate if so omunye omadwen che so mo na kora anwene ho so mo kwa akofa Ghana ni bia na se adisuafo no po wo mo de omo eba etu nya de Ghanaian Times a ene nsem ni bi ebomu ene mampani na adoda nkwa akufu ado anopa ya mrahye badwam wo hono mo ne last state of the nation address ebo mfie nan ya Ghana for de amano wo se wo mfa mu wo man no ne etwato ye obeye nie ne etwato ane wo ko gina mrahye badwam na omanyi empempenso a yeduro ne yetimu se nkoye no na mampani koka ho asem na wo hwa amanfo adwenkyere ye ode aba ene ne nipa dodo no ase mampani nkoka ene efa security apomudin mu adisua mu ni nyina ene de bonka tese mampani wo kotwa baabia ne sika na nufa nu kotwa baabia ana ne kwakra mu wo the Ghanaian Times no
obetuma akasemia ogana ha
say ntina obeso ha
ensema wa Ghana yina no menye hwa se president bia akoma state of the nation's address
atumi akani nyina ba bi pressing issues Ghana for hwe ni mu say we beba omayi mu bambo de beba galamse de beba ende amanfo de atwetwdwa nti ye hwe ni mu na MPA for so na MPA for ye nti o mayi mu na mo ne mpanimfo standard authority for beka asem makoranso na omo atonton fam wo ya enye nyina da he say mo de niam agugu akwam say so captain de tie airline yo MPA vows to clamp down on adulteration of petroleum products na say ni omo ka say omo ye can na afen no masa vow bi o say fam wo to ye kan mu ni enye nyina o be ye
me wo ye me den me nsesa goil am to fuel that me tia sese wo ye me den se me kokuma se me bo me car ne ma se me pebi asoso na nye goil wo pa twabe me na me nto because octane 95 no goil pen ton bie adasi na adigu ka ma na car engine say ntimi mpuri
the free da no afen na MPA for say omo behwe na so omo ya we say ye to petrol gu ye ka mu a enye nti afen na omo behwe na omo ye free system wa bra be mfiem yenu nie mo ka cha ye omo ne Professor Dodu
ye worked in 90 91 92 kosi 95 ye tibi ko fa fi obaga na ha na octane kro ndo 80
kwaku to aso na
mamento aso na kwadwo asema na mekan
wo de hwe Ghana ye car tank ukọ baby ni two car bi tank to wa petrol tank no hwe fie wum petrol fee
brofu we ni dem mo kan sa na afumani so ade mo fa ngom ntobi just me to anom na kwadwo asma na make no or say the Okre constituency executive committee of the New Patriotic Party says it does not recognize one lawyer Ejelate as a member, hence will not allow him to contest in the parliamentary primaries. The constituency secretary and now the district chief executive of the area, Daniel Nana Ado Kenneth, says the party's decision not to sell the forms to the legal practitioner is a step in the right direction.
So,
only party card na ontua dues ana and who determines you say wo nya member every say yes so there man forms Jombo Edu kasa no tie Jombo Edu kasa no o si ye hia sikampo eti se nipa ne beto na oba vet ne disqualify na party na enya sika
ekua say no kre na wonya member e dey ye ma form
let na kan hin ya state wo say oni party card
omoka party card asem but
so
do am de ba nti yemi so party card
actually dey mu na we say so kan mu na omo
ma fa chronicle twim na me sorry ko fa chronicle one na chronicle and dey na dey yemi mutimi nyodi pa ni sa
omo ni be ba mo so ma hwe antoto a say ye kukuru mponi ani e be so a
chronicle no dey wom nya medi ni baba chronicle say o say apologize to me o ma panyina da John Dramani Mahama wo say Nana do danko kufu ado won pa ne chaw essence wa kan se bi dia fa no enya no kre etu won fa chaw pamra na Ghana di nyina da hu bi na krata fa eto so nan no ena na mehwe o mo de betam de koye no LPP fo na ba be yi ano na de o mo de ba ni o say apology from Nana to Mahama aputo yo mo so de ba na chronicle da obokrata na yasi immigration backbiting because watch as a pennypa one na immigration wadano yes nipa bi etwetwe na se a ni nyina na se chop bi na ekoso ho wo panyini bai wa betwetwe ntokuru ni nyantika na wo mafo nya binni enti enei wo mode na to tankuru a opeso ya na wagu na nim ase enti chronicle makan wi afi dem ho so
in immigration photo no na ema ene eno ye hoden
o ze
utua corruption wi a nya no nko na adwuma no
Ishani bibisano ni nyanshani de emfensia na ekoye nim it is state of the nation address no
emfa me ba na me kwayi fesu
o free akwayi
me kwayi COP Jaba retired
okay
and ye pre-burial service no e wo police church na nyame Adom a ochina ne na de chiane aka bia beto aso Odom ahinkru eti nananom hefo Odom ahinkru nyina COP retired Jaba ye no ye ni abre ye pa na chese wo hwe me ne emhyemu ya Captain Nyagro
they say
me fan bag
e say ye colors ne mum
the ball like
wafa 100 we nya yi adwene da tru
en grade ani say ne no
mpacho nya abotre state of the nation's address
minim de omanfo hwe ani mu de ne mum excavator ne sam ne de hwe ani mu se mampanyine be kansa
me sure so be kan ho asem
me sure pa ye hwe no so obeka ho bibi na afi de ekoso ne hu de eko na unim za chronicle MPP fo say o mapanyin dada John Dramani Mahama na sentem said ye a wosiko social media interaction ne yi na asenanse wo ye agyae esan say bass bai wo panyin obi ante ne nka to mra bonte no meka ho bibi afi no maka
and press conference MPP won communications director ye no they asempa no kan
Dabi ohwe me ba no pe me busa hey be production team ni senti bo abi asamo nti almost sana enye yi ana
no so be tom da ben
oh ohene hwe ma men kase me cho politics enye nkwala agro
ya do di nkwala agro
Dabi politics enye nkwala agro
enna menti ase
Dabi hwe
odi nkwala agro na
hwe politics enye nkwala agro wati
kwadwen wani abraham
Dabi jai he nyema no wa bufuo
sanra kan ni enra so kan ni
mebo ekwa mpacho mba
eti dia na o ka free sa
ekwa mpacho mba hwe ti onya communications director mama Captain Smarto and multimedia or your communications director for the New Patriotic Party in government
incumbent
party in government oh enti the position no okuta no so be assured say oh MPP communications director wa fa ne tra da bi
na die na panyini yaye
tie was sitting president what yakunwa so e ka kire wo na wo ye communications director ne say se betuma fi akunwa no so kura garam say metu ase if say aban no twa mu no wantimi enti wo beye what interministerial committee was small professor from Pombotin Fria akwa Ivory Coast ene alasa watara ko di nkomo ewie de niam egu akwam say yentu garam say na say ya chance everybody in this country including Mahama na emu no supported that idea say yentu ase say na yen ni abre na yetu ase that wow party for wia excavators di kotu garam say ye now we are sabe jabe ka cho say party
excavators ni ese ayera
party only abem only to me be over nobody say we are hypocrite about galamsey. What kind of childish talk is this?
Omo no de omo jitum kura so omo faili inu sefuseni anu odi animu na beka say order from above ti wantumi anya juma
de ha me ne say ensuo na ye ka say ye bo ho ban na say ensuo na saase no e ha me pa esa say ensuo no
Yes, I have a boss of
me pa cho me ma bon fron